Okay, so in the last video we have seen find list of perfect number. We have printed list of perfect number and this is the logic. And today we are going to see another problem. What's the problem? We have to okay find the Armstrong number. Okay, so what's the logic of Armstrong number? Let me tell you what's the logic. Okay, so for example, I have a number like 1, 2, 3. So what I have to do, I have to take this number. First, we have to know how many digit number it is. 1, 2, 3. So this is 3-digit number. Okay, so now I will take each digit. I will take 3, I will take 2, I will take 1. So I will take 3 and I will write 3 power. Okay, what is the length of this number? So 3 plus. Okay, 2 power. What's the power? 3. Then take the last digit and power 3 and add this number. Okay, so 3 power 3 is 9. 3 power 2 power 3 is 8 and this is 1. So what is this number? 18. So 18 is not equivalent to this original number. So this is not a Armstrong number. Armstrong number. If a number, okay, after calculating the power, if the number is equivalent to the original number, then we will say this is the Armstrong number. So what's the example of Armstrong number? So for example, I have a number called 153. Okay, so what I will do, I will take the length of this number. So length of this number is what? 3. So what I will do now, I will take each digit and I will write power. 3 power 3 plus 5 power 3. Okay, 5 power 3 and 1 power is also 3. Okay, and after that I will resolve this. So 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, 5 into 5 into 5 plus 1 into 1 into 1. Okay, so what's the answer? What is the answer of this? 3 3 is a 9 and 9 3 is a 27. Okay, and 5 5 is a, I think this will become 125. 5 5 is a 25 and 25 into 25 125 and this is what 1. Okay, so add these numbers 125 plus 27. Okay, and plus 1. So what is the addition? 5 and 7, 12, 12 and 1, 13. Okay, and 2 and 2, 4, 4 and 1, 5. Okay, and 1 is 1. Okay, so it is the addition of this number is equivalent to the original number or not. If it is equivalent to the original number, then we will say this is what? This is Armstrong number, right? So let's write the logic. So let me create one function def fun. Okay, and initially write pass here, take a number, integer number, input, enter a number. Okay, we will pass this number inside the function and your function should receive a number. Now write the logic. What we have to do, we have to find the length of this number. How to find the length of this number first? So for finding the length of this number, I will create one while loop until n greater than 0. Okay, so what I will do, okay, before performing any operation, just store this okay number inside a variable. Okay, so what number I will take? Let's take temp. Temp is equals to n. So our original number will not disturb. Okay, so I will write here temp. Okay, temp is nothing but n only. So what we are going to do basically, what we are going to do, for example, user entered a number 1 2 3. So we have to calculate the length of this number. So what is the length? Is 3. How you are checking? I will delete this number each time, each time. So those many times I will delete, I will increase the L. Okay, L is nothing but L is a length count. Okay, so I will increase it by L plus equals to 1. When I will delete the one number, I will increase L value. When I will delete the second number, I will increase the L value, right? So what's the logic for deleting? The logic for deleting is, okay, so before deleting any number, let me create L. L is for increasing the length. So just increase the length, L plus equals to 1. Okay, let me write capital L so it is perfectly visible. Okay, now delete the last digit of this number. Number is nothing but temp. So how I will delete temp? Floor integer division by 10. Okay, so each time it will delete one number, and each time we are going to increase the length of this number. Okay, so let's try this. Let's try this, whether it's working or not. Length. Okay, we just have to print the length. Length is nothing but L. Okay, so let me execute this code. So for example, I'm entering one number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the length? Length is 5. So means it is perfectly working. Let me take another number. So what is the length? Length is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. Perfectly working. Now what is the logic? Once you get the length of the number. Okay, so first what we have to do, for example, I entered 153. So first calculate the length. Okay, length is 3. Now take the last digit of this number and add the power. Power is nothing but L. Okay, and write sum plus equals to, because each digit we have to add, right? And like what we have to do basically, 3 power 3 plus, now take another number, 5 power length is what, 3. Okay, and 1 power 3. Okay, so this line is responsible to perform addition. This is performing addition between each number. Okay, so we calculated length. After calculating length, what we will do, we will take last digit. Okay, for example, number is what, 153. Okay, length is calculated. Now take the last digit from the number. How we will take the last digit? Let's create one while loop. Temp. Okay, not temp. Temp is already used. We will take original number, which is n. N greater than 0. When n is greater than 0, take the last digit. So take the last digit means n modulus 10, and store inside a variable called d. Okay, d means digit. After that, what we have to do? We have to add this digit by implementing power. Digit power 3, not 3, digit power length. Digit power length. So digit power length means this double star is nothing but adding power. This is for adding power. Okay, and we will perform summation also of each digit. So let me create here s equals to 0. Okay, now delete. Once we have taken this digit, now we have to take this digit, second digit. So for taking the second digit, we need to delete this. So for deleting this, we have to write here and integer division equals to 10. Okay, after that, we have completed this calculation also. After that, return. What we have to return s. Okay, now we have to check here if if okay, so s will return here. Okay, so s will replace by this one will replace by s value. So we'll check s value is equivalent to the original number or not. If it is equivalent to the original number, we will say this is the perfect number. Print, sorry, Armstrong number. What we will say, this is what Armstrong number. Okay, okay, so now is, okay, simply just whatever you like, Armstrong number. Okay, so let me just execute it. So 153. 153 is an Armstrong number. That is correct. And let me just execute it. 1, 2, 3. So it is not printing anything. Why? Because this is not following the if condition. Suppose I have to check, I have to print list of Armstrong number. Okay, I have to print list of Armstrong number. Find list of Armstrong number. Okay, so how we can do this? So we will create one loop for I in range. Okay, we will start at 1 and will execute n plus 1. And this is I will write inside the inside what? Inside for loop. And I will call it for I value. I will call it for each I value, right? And if the condition is satisfied, okay, it is this is nothing but I. Okay, fun will return what? S. S is nothing but summation of digits. So it will print Armstrong number. Num is nothing but I. Okay, so let me execute it now. So like let me write 100. Okay, so these are the Armstrong number. Okay, let me write big range. So these are the Armstrong number. 153 is an Armstrong number, and this is also an Armstrong number. This is also an Armstrong number. So these are the list of Armstrong number. Okay, so it is not restricted to the three-digit number. It can calculate any digit Armstrong number. Okay, because we are finding length also. It is calculating. See, so these are the big Armstrong number. So this is not restricted to only find three digit, but it can find any digit because we are finding length. In this program, we are also learning how we can calculate the length of the number. Okay, and this is the logic we are using. So this will definitely help you in interview time. Okay, so everyone please practice this code. If you understood this code, please implement this code and paste your code in the comment section of this video for my motivation purpose. Okay, and if you have any doubt and any question, you can ask me in the comment section. All right, so thank you everyone for watching this video.